So hi guys, I'm back, and I had to reset my camera, and I'm going over my hands, getting really to a good point. I'm going to take it out of the bowl, so I'll put it on my table. Okay, sorry. Just gotta get everything out of the bowl. Okay. So here it looks like. There you go. It's not that loud yet because it's still sticky. And I wish I had food coloring to color it, but I don't. Poking it. And soon I'm going to be doing a 3 AM slime video, so go check that out when that's uploaded. And please go subscribe to Ruby Rube. And I was inspired by Ruby Rube because that looks scary, but I want to see if it's really real. My friend doesn't think it's real. So I'm going to see. I'm going to see my part 1. This is part 2. I'm going to put them together maybe. I just put them one by one. So please, there's slime on my camera. Ew. Oh, I'm going to switch it over to that. And please go subscribe by Karina Garcia. I love her videos. She makes the best slime. I love the Hot Cheetos slime. And soon, I haven't been uploading a lot. So because I've been in school, and I just got out of school a few days ago. So that's why I haven't been vlogging for a while. Because it was the whole school year. I was taking a break. Okay. Now when the slime is not that sticky and you're done playing with it, just take your container. I'm going to use 2 of them as little fish. I can just get the top off. Wait, let me get my other one actually. I'm going to pay $1 for it and $1 for it. I got all this stuff for slime. They're pretty big containers. Let's see how much this fits. So then you just put it in a container or a plastic baggie. I put most of mine in both. If it doesn't fit all the way, that's fine. You just gotta put as much as you can in. And then you could try to add a little bit more, as much as you can. I got half of it. Okay, I gotta take some out. Sometimes it takes a while to put it in a container. Okay. So I got one in half in one. Finally. This will all fit because I tried a big batch, it almost all fit. Okay. So there you go. Your slime. And that's how you make slime. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell. It's right next to the subscribe button, so please hit that button.